internet, welcome to another adventure. Today, another fun day, man. Right now we're meeting up with another YouTuber. Yeah, might have seen him in one of the past videos. It's been in one of them. Yeah, we went golfing together. You guys might remember him. Bad old Cycle. Yeah, that guy. Not sure what we're gonna do, man. Probably ride around a little bit, find something to eat. There he is. I see the bike. I see the bike, but I don't see him. Perhaps he went inside to get a steak. Hopefully he didn't eat yet. What's up, sir?
How are you?
Good to see you.
But Hotel Laguna just reopened. Have you ever been there before?
No.
Dude, it's sick. It's like probably one of the oldest spots in Laguna.
They serve food?
Yeah, they serve food, yeah.
Is that where we're going for lunch?
How you want to go?
I don't know. I kind of left it up to you. You're kind of a food guy.
Okay. Yeah, we can go over there. They got food. Yeah.
Let's look at your bike.
Dirty as shit.
That's the way it should be.
Yeah.
Ripping. You gonna do some suspension, you said?
Yeah, we're gonna do. I got some new forks, and then I'm gonna get the like the progressive. Like
This is your forever bike.
it kind of is. I mean, it's just a bike that I haven't had. I mean, I haven't had a bike in a little bit.
This bike will always be cool. In 20 years, it'll still be a cool bike. This thing's out of gas, man. We gotta get gas. Tiny little gas tank. What is happening?
Oh, dude, you're gonna have to go.
I didn't even hit the button. It's gonna be one of those days. Is this thing recording?
Yeah.
No U-turn. What is this? All right, juiced up, man. We're good. It's super warm out, man. I'm wearing my cold weather jacket. I'll tell you why. The zipper broke on my leather jacket. Yeah, man, old trusty, man. I had that jacket for so long. The zipper is so messed up on it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Take it to a tailor, I guess, but I don't want anybody just messing around with that jacket. I was thinking about sending it back to Icon and asking them to help me. You guys think I should reach out to Icon and see if they'll repair it? I gotta get that thing fixed. I hate not wearing it. You think you could beat me to the white line? Oh. Smoked him. Alright. Rematch it is. What happened? Anyway. Maybe this is fast. I don't know. I can't. Look at this dude. Alright. Warmer wiener.
We're gonna go up, and we're gonna turn right and get to that street.
Okay. All right, Pato. You brought me to Laguna Beach. Food was good.
Yeah.
The cigars, man.
Short rib cigars with horseradish creme fraiche.
They brought them out. They look like legit cigars.
In the ashtray.
That was amazing. I just got a steak sandwich, and man, that was good. Nothing to hate about that. What'd you end up with?
I did the chicken breast sandwich.
What'd you think?
It was pretty good. They had a little curry sauce on the side, but actually I saved a little bit of the horseradish from the cigars and dipped it in that. It was nice.
Yeah, man. I definitely recommend. If somebody wants to bring a date somewhere and impress them, go there. You might want to make reservations, sit by the water under the umbrellas and stuff. We sat inside. It was a little hot, a little sunny. But I'm going to bring the wife here, man.
As you should. As you should.
All right. Fun day. Later.